Yo, what is going on? Today we are changing the oil in my car. We gotta pick up 7 quarts of oil, 7 whole quarts, and a bigger filter, oil filter. So yeah, we gotta go do that. All right, so this is the filter that we gotta get for 7 quarts. Beef guy. And the reason we're doing 7 is because we have a balance shaft delete on this car. So when we went with the built motor, we went ahead and deleted the balance shaft, and yeah, she takes 7 quarts now. So yeah, probably gonna do 5W30. Probably not gonna jump to 5W40 at all. Maybe if I'm running ethanol for long periods, but for right now, we're gonna go ahead and stick with 5W30. So let's go pick that up. Hopping in the parts / daily getter. Go get this motherfucking oil. Good secured. We went ahead, got our filter, and we went with Pennzoil 5W30. Important logo right here, and we'll go over why I went with this oil and what oils are good for or are LSPI safe. All right, so the oil we went with is Pennzoil, full synthetic. The big part when buying oil is the dextrose 1 Gen 3, worst case Gen 2. This does help with the LSPI or LPSI or whatever the hell it is. Essentially, what this is low speed pre-ignition, I believe, is the term for it. And all that is you want to not be in high gear, low RPMs, and be flooring it or try to floor it. You will legitimately blow your motor. Yes, you will. It's just not like if, you will destroy your motor. So oils with these markings on it, yeah, they have special detergents, reduce engine spikes. There's a whole list on it. I can link the list below, but yes, you need to pay attention to what oil that you're getting. Pennzoil is great. Mobil 1, Valvoline Advanced. I think Castrol Edge Extended Performance is pretty good. So those are some nice ones. I always go with Pennzoil or Mobil 1 personally, but it's up to you, you know. But yes, do your research on your oil. Do not floor your car on high gear, low RPM. I swear to God, you will toss your motor and it will be done. Yes, but I went with the bigger filter here just because of my balance shaft delete. She's a chunker, dude. It's a decent filter for a 4-cylinder. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this up on blocks. Who the hell put that on? It was about to be hot as hell. Oh my fuck. Okay, we are going to, I want to say this is my package to cut open our filter here. And it is. All right. So yeah, cut open our filter. Very nice. Any size filter in here, since we have a big bore. We're gonna put that in there, and yeah, we're gonna cut it open and make sure we have clean oil. Yep. Filter freaking on, dude. My hands are so fucking wet. And all the oil off this. Our 15 mil. Damn. Shit. All right. Oh, no way I just spilled that, bro. 6. Seven. Pop that out with the screwdriver. Looks pretty good inside. I just broke that with the screwdriver, so but we are looking real good. Well, that's oil in my eye. That's good. Yeah. All right. Oil change done. Filter cut up. Everything looks good. It is summer. So let's go ahead and throw on our custom grill that we literally never finished. So that, and we can slide this in, because you know, oh, no way. Put that in. Oh yeah, I feel like that looks so much better. That fat fucking intercooler, dude. Damn. I still need to shave this, but I'm good on that. The last time I shaved the grill, it took 10 years, and I almost died. Okay. We have to wash this car. Oh my God. So that's what we're gonna freaking do. We are going to wash this thing. I don't want to hear any judgment on what we're using to wash. I'm gonna go with this. Go with this guy right here. Oh, and it's fresh, dude. It's fresh. Never opened. Oh. Some good stuff right there. How much is too much? Maybe that. Oh! Damn! That was a lot. Maybe some of that? I don't know. Alright. Time lapse. I'm washing my car. This is the fucking, oh my god, bro. This shit is brown. Alright, oil done, car cleaned, looking beautiful. I'm sure I won't pick up everything on camera, but it's clean. See, it's clean, the carbon's looking beautiful, and the front grille looking nice. Let me know, shaved grill or no grill. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I think like I had a bunch of other stuff planned, you know, for this video, but you know, sometimes you just gotta relax and do stuff you actually want to do in the car before you burn yourself out. And that's me. I just didn't want to do anything today. I wanted to chill. And I wanted to just do something simple. Change the oil, crack the oil filter up, put in some nice good oil, verify everything's going good, working good, and wash the car. So yeah, this is a shame. Damn. But yeah, that's pretty much what we did today. So I hope you learned something about the oil and the type of oil you should be using and what to look out for. And remember, do not floor it in high gear, low RPMs. You will blow. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Take it easy, boys. Peace.